Me know your brother, you can't call me bro, but remember take the God out. Feel like fly, well, I mean.
How are the bumbo clat go on here, sir? No, hold on, pause. Right now, the song done. I'm turning on a review, man, right now. Yeah, everybody want to go on. What's your title of that video? OMG. OMG. Intence, this is Sixx Dem. Bumbo clat turn that big of myself. But that's going to be title right now for the video, dog. OMG. Intence, this is Sixx Dem. Intence, you can call me bro, but take the God off on that. Bumbo clat. People, the video done. We don't need to hear nothing more right so right now. People want, what are your thoughts? Rate this song from 1 through 10. What are the thoughts? But you know what? That now have nothing to do with me. What's good, YouTube? It's about Tyrekevlogs, aka The Reaction Boss. And we're back in from another video for you guys. Right now, we're back in the car. No, I don't say when I fall back in the car. You see me, I say, on that deal. Today, we have a song called Friday. Today is Friday. Bumbo clat. Intence with it, people. Official music video. You don't know everybody at Jamaica. It's like Jamaica, a national day. And the national day designated for release song. Everybody wants a song today. Everybody. But guess what? We're there for them one by one. Okay, so we're going for the song right now. Like up this video, comment on this video, see your comment next video that I post. You know, post every single day, numerous times for you. If you're new, subscribe on the road too much. To 40k, we want to close off this year with 40,000 subscribers, guys. You see me, we're 5k away. Well, 4.2k away. You understand? But you know it's chop already. Run tune!
They are broad, room. Plus credit on my phone, matic on my belly, chrome. Go hard or go home, craving and ganja smoke.
Sadly, the past boss is in full effect because they don't know say them song are heavily copyrighted. If the past boss are there, they might get black. I'm not interested if you get no black today. You did me I say, but there for all our vibes. So go!
In my head I ain't coach, clean every day. No know what them I do.
Sure.
The girl them attack, say them think like bush. The old Craig watch it start. Yeah, me feel like fly.
Hold on, pa. What they get them to think like? Ooh. Make sure some, you know, can't have them girl there. I go on, so. Can't have them girl there. I go on like them shit can't make party. You see me? Dior. Your girlfriend is my little whore. She love you, but she love me more. Run tune.
Well, I'm my vibes. Yeah. Oh, stood and name fried. Yeah. I have money for my mind.
Money for your mind. So you know how to like me. Shit. You know how to like me because I have money for my mind. Me and my bumbo clip vibes a Friday. Money for my mind and girl. That's all I need a Friday and party. We good. You know how to like me. Me have money. Once I have money, I must get pum. I must go and party. Go on.
Me kill off fine, boy. Me fuck a girl 'cause she like me. If you not like that, I like me.
The dog said knock your girl because she like.
I go like Sterling.
But I ask her go like say but what? The man said knock your girl because she like him. And not because him like her, you know, as she like him. As she want the link. As she say, yo, I go man in show she like that. You hear me I say, yeah, go on.
Me girl them spend so many days have to touch my earnings. Brother man try learn this.
Yeah.
We hotter than the fire not the furnace.
What?
Them say them hot warm, them a thermos.
Them hotter than the fire and the furnace. Right now. Yo, sorry. Every time I say everything I say that a song come to my mind because I do so much music with the reactions. You understand me? Sorry about that. But you know what? Run tune.
A girl me sit on that in a circus.
Yeah.
Play fully calm, never nervous.
Yeah.
So all who a bathe flow the kitchen it will burn like fly. Well, but I broke it.
All the who things love the kitchen, it will burn in the boat to the one beef. What do you want beef with? What kind of beef you want? Thanksgiving gone yesterday, no? I'm sorry, the beef thing done. The beef thing done. Thanksgiving gone. Go on.
Yeah, roast to the name fried.
Yeah.
Palm my belly have my nine.
Yeah.
So you know how to lie.
Yeah.
No make me kill off pine, boy.
Straight. Cheat. Right now, if I sang you go on, but I want to see the fire emoji in the comment section. You see me, I say, drop the fire emoji. Drop them. If I some lighter mash up, dog. I to one song a while ago, dog. I said the song is too bad. The song bad, I can't tell. Strike the lighter no more, dog. The song, go on, watch it. The lighter, they put a little E. John, no. Lighter, they put E. Go on.
Fuck a girl, cause she lie. If you no like that, I lie.
Nah, I don't like that.
With the road can't do without all.
Oh, see her there? I go back and look on her. I find her now, man. I find her, man. You know what? We must see her again, you know. I'm not even bother with some time and go back and look for she. Go on.
No rate to just a cover off. We greatness, but me know them know mighty and we vigorous. So me do it so quick.
You see them things I know me I get distracted. No, she the right this or what? Why if your tongue got a fair more? Behave yourself. Me not talk about you. Watch her orange one. Watch all her breast. You know what? Go on.
I'm still a try for figure.
See your blood clean there. She kind of on a little thickish side there, thickish side there, and you know I mean really, you know, we don't like them mountain there, we don't like climbing them mountain there at all. You see me I say, she too thick. Go on, you're too thick.
Me do me thing and put it on nights, my fam.
Yeah.
And no for them me sing a search for the leather. God.
When chicken chest did I give a Tyrekevlogs in their front of the line. Keep on the shirt, dog. Go on. Richard.
Remember me know your brother, you can't call me bro, but remember take the God out and feel like fly. Well, I mean.
I want the bumbo clat to go on here, so. No, hold on, pause. Right now, the song done. I'm turning on a review, man, right now. Yeah, everybody want to go on. What's your title of that video? OMG. Intence, this is Sixx Dem. Bumbo clat, turn that big of myself. But that's going to be title right now for the video, dog. OMG. Intence, this is Sixx Dem. Intence, you can call me bro, but take the God off on that. Bumbo clat. People, the video done. We don't even hear nothing more right as right now. People want, what are your thoughts? Rate this song from 1 through 10. What are the thoughts? But you know what? That now have nothing to do with me. Go on!
I'm vibes, yeah. Roast to the name fried. I have money on my mind, friend.
So you know how to lie, man.
Pause, dog. That's different, dog. I never expect that, dog. I never expect that to blood click, dog. Cause, well, see, at the same time, you not call your name, but you don't know a chap. I who say that, you see me? I have to talk about it, dog, because that's why I testing right now, I'm not saying so far, dog. So I have to talk about it, dog. I'm not react to no more, son. The song basically done. I'm repeat over the backside chorus again and thing. You know them song you go already. You know music come. So I go chat. You see me? So I don't think I can go on now, people. Because they don't know, so them artists, they don't know why I go on, no, dog. Me like war just as how Terror than love war, you know. I'm waiting, I hope Terror than make I tell them about that song, you know, dog. You see me? Just turn up some little, you see me? Cook up some beef, you know, dog. You see me? I say, because we love the war too, you know. You see me? I say, when the war go on, we can buy some Malta, as Terror than say. You see me? I say, we like Malta. You see me? Malta we drink, you know. Yeah, man, we drink like a man. You see me? So watch it, man, people. Intence. Yeah, the first shot, you know. Make we see what I go on, you know. You see me, I say, we're there waiting for it, you know. A long time we want to go on, you know. At Christmas in the dog, who want some Malta? Who can buy some Malta? Well, I'm actually forgot the New Year's, you know, because I want to go come into New Year's Malta money that, you know, like, you see me, I say. But, when you know a shop girl, yo, Tyrekevlogs signing up, people. Like up the video, please subscribe to the channel if you guys are new. We are on the road to how much? 40,000 subscribers. Represent for the whole Caribbean, so big up on yourself. I'm out. Peace.